Today, outbreeding devices we have to see controversies. Before that, we must revise some conditions which prefer only self pollination. In that, cleistogamy means before pollination, flowers remain closed. Homogamy, that means androecium and gynoecium matures at the same time, which prefers only self pollination. These are some conditions which prevents cross pollination and prefers only self pollination. Like this outbreeding devices, in this only cross pollination requires, or which prefer only cross pollination. In majority plants, some devices or some conditions are present due to which only cross pollination takes place in that flower or in that plant. In that first one, unisexuality. As we know, Cucurbitaceae family, in majority plants, unisexual flowers are present. Male flowers and female flowers are produced at different sites. So this condition only prefers cross pollination, that means transfer of pollen grains from one flower to another flower. In that, two conditions or two references are there. First, monoecious, like maize plant, male and female flowers produces at different sites but at the same in the same plant. Maize plant, male flowers produces at the top, while in the exile female flowers are produced. Some plants are dioecious, which having the male flowers and female flowers in the different plants, like papaya. Male flower or male plant is different and female plant is different. This is the first condition which prefers only cross pollination. Second one, dichogamy. In this device or in this condition, anthers and stigma matures at different time. Means flowers are bisexual, but the maturity period is different. In that first condition is protandry and androecium. In this type of condition or in this flower, androecium matures earlier than gynoecium. Example, sunflower. The sunflower which shows the small flowers in the inflorescence. In that, male flowers matures first and then female flowers. This condition prefers only cross pollination. Second one, protogyny. Gyne means gynoecium. In this type, gynoecium matures earlier than androecium. Example, gloriosa. In this gloriosa climber, red color flower, in this gynoecium matures first, so it receives pollen grain from another flower which only prefers cross pollination. The third conditions or third devices which prefers outbreeding, that prepotency. In this, pollen grains of another flowers matures or develops on the stigma rapidly. Means before receiving the pollen grains from same flower, this stigma receives pollen grains from another flower and allowed to germinate rapidly. This condition is prepotency, present in apple plant. Then next one, heterostyly or heteromorphy, means morphologically the length of the stigma and anther having the different length, which prefers only cross pollination. Primula or primrose, these are the small flowers, showy flowers having different colors. In this flower, there are different types of length of style which prefers only cross pollination, heterostyly. Then next one, heracogamy. This mechanical device which prefers or for cross pollination. In the example, if you see Calotropis rui, in this Calotropis, gynoecium forms a disc-like structure which is preferred at higher level. So this gynoecium receives pollen grains from another flower which forms or which get mature or develop on the stigma. This heracogamy present in Calotropis. And last condition, that is a self-incompatibility or self-sterility. This is the genetic mechanism which does not allow pollen grains germinate of the same flower. It only allows germination of pollen grains of another flower, and this is the genetic mechanism. Again we revise outbreeding devices. In that first one, unisexual flowers are produced. Second one, dichogamy, in that protandry and protogyny. Protandry means androecium matures first, protogyny means gynoecium matures first. Prepotency, that means pollen grains from another flower only rapidly germinates. Heterostyly means the morphologically different length of styles or stigma are present in that flower. Hercogamy means mechanical device which prefers cross pollination, present in generally gynoecium structure like Calotropis. And last, that is a self incompatibility. This is a genetic mechanism which allows germination of another pollen grains from another flower.